What's up, good people? I'm here at the airport in Norfolk, Virginia, heading to Dallas right now for the Gospel Music Workshop of America National Board Meeting. And for those of you who don't know what that is, Gospel Music Workshop of America is just a wonderful organization where most gospel artists, actually, most of them got their start. You can go as far back as anybody you want to go back to, and pretty much they came through GMWA to do anything. So this is the planning session for the National Music Convention. So we'll be in meetings all day and then musicals at night. So like I said, heading there now to Dallas to get to work. So this is the National Board Meeting for Music, so Gospel Music. So I'll be checking with you. Take care. Have a great week. Keep your head up. Stay focused. And remember, can't nobody beat you being you. I'll talk to you once I possibly get in Charlotte or either Dallas, because Charlotte is my connecting flight. All right? Bless y'all. And good morning. 6:30 in the morning. Bye.